the 2018 Chevrolet Trax. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.